Is your washer displaying LE error code? Watch this video to learn how to troubleshoot LE error. When the washer motor is locked, the LE error code appears. You should stop the washing machine and look inside to see if there is anything large and heavy inside, like blankets, comforters, or carpets. Ensure that there are no foreign objects in the washer and remove them. Before adding any load, please check for foreign objects like coins, pins, or clips. Start the washer and ensure the washer is functioning.